In the factory automation market, considerable attention is now focused on further boosting productivity by making use of advances in communication technology and high-speed data processing technology to enable seamless connectivity between control devices and manufacturing robots, analysis of big data, and the like. Thermistor products from Murata can be found in a variety of key devices that play an essential role in factory automation, such as servo amplifiers and servo motors. For example, thermistors can be as temperature sensors to detect faults in servo motors and servo amplifiers. PRG series PTC thermistors can be used to protect the circuits of servo amplifiers from overcurrent that can arise when devices with improper load design are connected to the I/O terminals. Normally, the PRG series thermistor functions as a fixed resistor within the servo amplifier. When an abnormal state occurs, such as when an incorrect sensor is connected to an I/O terminal, overcurrent can arise. Overcurrent causes the PTC thermistor element itself to generate heat, raising its resistance value and reducing the current value. When the wiring error is eliminated and the current value returns to normal, the PTC thermistor returns to its former state. Unlike a burned-out fuse, there is no need to replace it, which means no additional equipment maintenance is required. Block diagrams are available on My Murata, our portal website exclusively for Murata customers. Please register on My Murata and make use of them. Thermistors are also used in automated guided vehicles, AGVs, which are widely used in the factory automation market. For example, thermistors are used to monitor the temperature of battery cells to detect faults. They are also used to sense the ambient temperature to enable current control during quick charging. Murata thermistors are contributing to the advancement of factory automation devices and to the realization of Industry 4.0. In addition to the factory automation market, Murata thermistors are widely used in familiar everyday products such as automobiles and thermometers, as well as in equipment that supports key aspects of our society, such as medical equipment, computer servers, communications equipment, and manufacturing equipment.